Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and today I have a box opening of Barbie Basic. But I wanted to show you, this was sent to me by John and Nicole at Not the Cool Dolls as a birthday gift. And I showed it, I'll link in the video for that. When I went to throw the envelope away, I found this inside. Look how cute that is. A necklace and a bracelet to match the outfit that they send. I can't thank these guys enough, and they are the cool dolls. They're very cool. All right, let's open this. And sorry I didn't see that, Nicole and John. I overlooked it. I saw this, and I cannot tell you how many dolls I have been buying. God, oh my goodness. Shame on me, and Darren keeps saying, it's birthday month, it's birthday month. So these are the four that they set out with the, it says 5. Where's 4? Oh, here she is.
She is 4.
Number 4. Isn't that a gorgeous redhead? She seems small, though. We're going to get her out. She is definitely smaller. Very, very, very pretty face. Her hair, it's okay. It's soft, it's nice. It's just, I don't know, not what I expected, but I like it. I love the color. Love, love, love the color.
Looks like I left a kajinker there on her hair.
Oh, well, that's okay. It's kind of
rubber
her
band
style. I don't know. We'll leave that for a minute anyway. She has these earrings I really like. Oh, wait. Is that the extent of it, or was there something hanging there? I guess that's it. That's weird. Okay. But she has pierced ears, and she has the very extendable articulation. Love that. Her knees came with extra support, but they are the very bendable. Ankles also very bendable. Love the dress. But look at the size difference. That's quite a lot. This is my favorite Barbie. She's just a cheap little Barbie, and I love her. But yeah, I really like these new Barbies, but I am surprised at the size and at the hair. I don't know. I guess I just thought it would be a little bit better quality, more like the looks, and maybe it is, and it's just me or just this doll out of the box. I'm not sure. But oh, she is stunning. Thank you, Darren.
Oh, you're welcome. Happy birthday.
Thank you. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.
Now you need to get the other 4.